Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance between the points P0, 2 and Q6, 0 is. We know that distance between any two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here x1 is 0, x2 is 2, y1 is 6 and y2 is 0. By simply putting these values in above formula, we can calculate required distance. This is units. So dpq is equal to under root of 0 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. So that will be 0 minus 2 is minus 2 and minus 2 whole square is 4 and 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 square is 36. So that will be under root of 40. That we can write as under root of 4 multiplied by under root of 10. We know under root of 4 is plus minus 2, but since we are finding distance, negative value will be discarded and we get 2 root 10 units. So we get dpq as 2 root 10 units. Answer is option B.